Hi guys, it's Hua. I know it's been a while since I came back on YouTube, but I've just been really busy and I have a lot to catch up on. But first, I am doing a egg fast collaboration with Michelle at Life Adventures and Keto. I'm going to link her channel up here somewhere so that you can check her out. She's super cool, and I'm so happy that she reached out to me to do this collab because I have been on vacation and it's time to get back on track. So stay tuned to my Egg Fast Day 1. In preparation of the 3-day egg fast, I got some organic eggs, Kerrygold butter, some mozzarella cheese, and Coke Zero. I boiled 3 eggs for my lunch on Friday, and I'm super happy it started on Friday of the egg fast, so I only had to prep 1 lunch. So here I have 3 boiled eggs, some mayonnaise, mustard, and some cayenne pepper with some salt and black pepper. It is absolutely delicious. All you gotta do is mix it up, make sure it cools down first, and then put it in your fridge, and it's delicious the next day. And I'm having some black coffee with no cream, and that is such a struggle for me. And I'm having the egg salad that I prepped yesterday for Friday lunch along with a Coke Zero. And for dinner, I'm gonna have some mozzarella cheese I'm frying in a pan, and it's so delicious. And this is about 2 ounces of mozzarella. I'm also having 2 eggs scrambled with 1 tablespoon of Kerrygold butter, and this pretty much ends my Friday, first day of the egg fast. Hey guys, it's Hua. So I just want to give you some feedback on the egg fast day 1. Pretty much I was really busy on Friday all day at work, had a 12-hour shift plus driving back and forth. It's about an hour and a half to 2 hours. So it's anywhere for 13 and a half to a 14-hour day. So I really didn't get a chance to think about food. That's why I prepped the egg salad the night before, because I wanted to stay on track and I want to hold myself accountable. I am doing this egg fast, like I said, with Michelle at Life Adventures and Keto, and her YouTube channel will be listed down below. So the first day went well just because, like I said, I was busy. But however, I did want to eat other things just because when you're under a lot of stress, for at least for me, I tend to want to snack. And I'm glad that I did prepare the egg salad because I wanted to stay on track, and also I want to make sure that I do this collab with Michelle with integrity. So overall, the first day was fine. I've done a 5-day egg fast before, and if you haven't seen it, I will link my series up here so you can check it out. But so far, so good.